there is actually a framework on how to prioritize the decision making. So there is a framework for the framework. AI is a powerful fuel, but it's not the engine. Start from what's the outcome? What are the key decisions? And then bring in the appropriate AI. Tama, I think the importance of the decision intelligence framework is well articulated. And also, we don't have a choice. We have to do it because of the consequence of inaction is definitely very significant. Now, from a C-suite perspective or from a board perspective, one of the biggest struggles that we see is, where do I start? Do I start from a department perspective? Do I start from across all the organization? Give us some insights on where should a company start? How to start?
Pick your highest value recurring decision. Not let's transform our culture, that wills. Pick one decision, which happens reviewing weekly, monthly, quarter, which has a highest significant financial impact. And let's start with second Padora. It is a continuous process. That's where we should prioritize and start. It answers in multiple examples. How much should I invest in marketing for December, January, for this month? Which market we have to enter? How do we allocate our R&D resources for next quarter? Which acquisition targets that we should pursue? So with these questions, we have to build the framework. So assume, I can tell that 5 steps we can make. One is map the decision. Who's going to take this decision? Who decides it? Build the framework of define the success. What's the success for you? Third, identify inputs for it. Fourth, create a simple decision logic. Kind of a if and if not, it loops. Build that back to feedback loops. Then this entire funnel will increase the decision-making quality.
Very interesting. So you're saying that there is actually a framework on how to prioritize the decision making. So there is a framework for the framework.
Exactly.
Very interesting. So Dharma, from a decision framework perspective, your five steps process is definitely very useful. But from an AI perspective, where does AI come and play into all of these things?
So AI is a powerful fuel, not weights. You can do decision intelligence without AI.
Wait a bit. You said AI is a powerful fuel, but it's not the engine. Okay, keep going.
Start the framework, then layer in AI predictions to enhance. Too many companies build AI first and then wonder why no one uses.
I think I can track with that for sure. It's almost like fear of missing out. We need to start an AI project, put money into it, because if I'm not doing, somebody else is doing. So from that perspective, you're saying start from what's the outcome? What are the key decisions? And then bring in the appropriate AI. So from a sequencing perspective, so that is where I guess the decision intelligence framework becomes very useful, because you start with the end outcome in mind. You define the end outcome. You define what decisions are critical. what are those outcomes that are going to happen because of those decisions, identify them, and then embed AI, bring in the AI applicability. So that way, when I apply AI, I know whether that is a measurement metric.
Exactly.
Very interesting. Very interesting.